Hello friends, this is Manuraj here from Gadget Kada. Xiaomi has rolled out yet another update for the Redmi 4 users, that is 9.5.10. In this video, let's check out what we have in this update. So without further wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay guys, to get started, after about a month of waiting, finally we have an update for the Redmi 4 users, Miui 9.5.10. It is a 210 MB update and it involves quite a few bug fixes and performance improvement. In the previous updates there were battery drain issues, so they claim to say that they have fixed it within this update. So let's install and see what are the improvements and what are the features we get with this update. So I've completed the installation of the update, and as I could notice, there is no UI changes. There is no change in the settings, and the Android version is still running on Android 7.1, and still we don't have the audio update. The other thing is, previously it was running on the April security patch. Now it is being updated to May security patch. So other than that, there are quite a few bug fixes, and some of them are like issues regarding the notification. You can now restrict notification from App Store, and other than that, they have fixed some issues regarding the second space. So regarding battery drain and performance improvement, they claim to say that they have improved the battery performance, because in the previous update 9.5.6 there was severe battery drain issues. So hopefully in this update that should be fixed, and we will have to test it out for 1 or 2 days and to see if there is an improvement. And we will post screenshot in our community tab, so please stay tuned there, and we will update how is the battery drain. And as far the performance is concerned, I see a slight improvement in performance because in the previous update 9.5.6 I was facing a lot of app crashes and there was a lot of lagginess. So another good news for Redmi 4 users is Miui 10 beta ROM will be available soon for the Redmi 4 users. We will definitely make a video when it is available. So that's it guys, that's it for the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. So until next time, bye bye.